This is actually when you found the level sensor for leak detection. This is a cabinet about the ammonia, and there is in there some pumps, miscellaneous pumps, as you can see here, and all these pumps command ammonia flow, and here in deep you can find this little stuff which is actually a leak sensor, but as you can see it's broken, and it's the support it's soldered to the retention recipe, the retention wall here, and so I need to take some measure to try to repair this, and of course, as you can see, because this part is soldered on this part here, it's not possible to change the sensor. So what we need here is to build another one which can be put we can be made here with a sensor detection on the Jeep here. So we have here about the wall something like 7 millimeters thickness. No, we have 13 millimeters, okay, and the height of this is about 9 centimeters. So okay, so for this project I had to put some filament on the ammonia liquid to see the reaction with this chemical product, actually, because as you guess, you can understand that you need to test your filament before to build something going with contact with something like a chemical product. So I put on this little container ammonia coming from the factory. This is exactly the same product we are going to work with, and try to see how some different filament can react with the product. So what you can see here is that actually the PETG here has not suffered about the ammonia insertion, and you have the strong is always here. There is absolutely no problem. This is the same with ABS filament. You can see there is no trouble with it. He won't break. It's very nice. It don't react with the chemical product. And this is the ASA, which is a kind of improved ABS, which work very, very nice after a few days with the ammonia. And this is the PLA, which is the famous filament used on 3D printing, and you can see that it becomes very fragile, actually, and it's not suitable for this project. I think the best is the ABS ASA. It's written PLA here, but actually this is ABS, ASA ABS. I think this is the good filament for this project. Oh putain, la catastrophe.
En fait, je dois prendre les billets.
Reasons that I'm interested in this specific 3D printer, and if you watch my channel, you know I do a lot of 3D printing videos, and if you're not familiar with it, it's kind of a cool thing to check out. So that's what we're gonna get to right there. And yeah, so here we go. So this is the monoprice. That is because I've heard some stories that that's not exactly the case. So let's go ahead and see. I ordered this directly from Monoprice. It was $150. I think they have them on Amazon too. So if this is a huge failure, stay away.
Okay, what you can see here is that relay is here in alternative current configuration, but also it can work with a DC current. But here we use alternative current because on the real condition, this relay is fed by alternative voltage about 25 volts, which comes from this transformer. This is alternative voltage, and to drive this relay, classical relay, we need 70 milliamp, like we can see here. And so the relay is switched on, and you can see 70 milliamp. What you can understand here is that this current is enough strong for the little reed relay, and I think we need a little device to help the reed relay to not to be destroyed at first use, so we need to make it more longer with to have more last for long last use, and we need maybe to drive it with a little circuit.